today's video, the third of Make Your Own build, we'll be installing add-ons and their repos, creating submenus for those add-ons in the various sections, movies, TV shows, etc. And we're looking at a few more things we can do. So let's get started. Next thing we need to do is choose and decide what add-ons you want. I use the Kodi apps add-on chart. Gives you pretty much the latest. So like for Placenta, it'll give you your address, but unless you'll download the WMBC repo from that, you can get quite a few more add-ons. So what I do is just drag across exactly to where the end of the Z, no further. Right click and copy it. File manager, add source, and Control V on your keyboard. Call it WMBC, and done. Click OK. Then we go along to apps, add-on browser. If you click on that, we're going to install from zip. Record the first time you use it, disabled. Unknown sources, and yes. Back out once, back onto install from zip. Got the WMBC. We have the WMBC repo. While we're here, we'll also do universal scrapers. Install from the repository with WMBCs, video add-ons, press enter, install. We go live, we install, Neptune Rising, once it's all installed, it's a matter of going along once again. You're working in skin settings, set up the maps menu. We'll do movies first. The default background or the default action, we're going to use Placenta, so you click on default select action, choose your add-on, video add-on, Placenta, and it's going to be movies. You click on that, create menu to here, so now that will always default to that. Then we want to start manage submenu. I'll just get rid of these. Change action the first one, add-on, Placenta, movies, create to here. Once you've done that, you need to give it a name, so you click set label, do in capitals, Placenta. Obviously, depending on the add-ons you're going to use. Another one. Once again, change action. Go to your add-ons, your video add-ons, Neptune Rising, movies, and create menu to here. Set label. So if I'm doing other type rather than just doing individual add-ons, you can actually change action, add-on, video add-on, Placenta, and we can just say new movies, create menu to here and just change it or name it new movies. And the same with the TV shows. Default action, we're going to use presenter. TV shows, create menu to here. The kids, which was custom 1, but I don't have any action, so we'll default action, add-on, video add-on, presenter, kids corner, create menu to here. Now you can see it's actually enabled it. Change the name, but we don't want to, so you just edit the label again. That's kids. Once again, manage subs menu. Yeah. And once again, for this section, you just look for the add-ons or sections in add-ons for kids, where you look at what add-ons you're going to download for the kids section, if you're going to have a kids section, and just carry on the same, just as you did with the movies and TV shows. Once we've done the basics of the build, I will show you how to do the individual. If you want to change the colour of this font, or you want to change the font, we'll go through that in a slightly advanced. Another thing I like to do to make sure that your build's the best it can be, there's 2 things you need to enable. So if you just go along into your add-ons, all add-ons, then you scroll down to the letter I. And if you see there, input stream adaptive, we need to, for live TV and sports, we need to enable that, so you just right click it, information, enable, come back out. Next one is the letter R, RTMP, input, once again disabled, right click it, choose enable, that'll improve the live TV and sport channels. Of course, it's going to be your own personal build, but it's going to still want some sort of maintenance on it, so I think it's about time we installed the onallaince wizard. So just go back out into File Manager, click on that, add source. If you click on that, click, and it's http reborn.com/repo. Rename that so that you're going to remember. We want to 1A. Click OK. Come back out. Come to the left, add-on browser. Click on that. Install from zip. 1A. And we'll install the wizard. And also here we'll install the repo, because I'm not installing the build. Just press the back button. Yeah. Install from repo. Onallaince repo. Video add-ons. Install the 1A hub. Boom racing. I think we need a kids area, so we'll do Hoot Loop. Unity. You can pick and choose exactly whether it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 add-ons, it's up to you. I've got the 1A wizard in, so if we actually go to skin settings, set up the inox menu, obviously we'll go here, I might put it in there. So default action, it's an add-on, but this time it's a program add-on. onallaince reborn. Create menu to here. That will struggle to fit in an actual submenus. So we'll call it the one. Wizard. Then if you want to do submenus in this, once again, this one, change action, add-on, program add-on, onallaince wizard. So from a shortcut to save data, create menu to here, give it a name, save data. Well, if you want to put any shortcuts, also if you want a speed test, add on browser. Come to the wizard, manage submenu. Go along here, just add in one. Once again, change action. This time it's a program add-on again. Speed test. Give it a name, make sure it's highlighted. Now obviously to save time I'll go and install some more add-ons, and obviously this is the point where you choose whether you want all-in-one add-ons, the likes of Supremacy, from Magic Dragon and Skynet. So you get sports, TV, movies all from the one add-on. If you want to try and just make it small and light, I'll do that and I'll come back. So we've got the sections that we want in the build. We've got submenus to various add-ons that we want to use. Each section should be default to a particular add-on. So in TV shows, I've got it going straight to Placenta, TV shows in Placenta. And the movies, sports, go to Aragon Live. Another piece we can do, we can create a widget for any of these sections, but we'll do it for movies for this video. Once again, skin settings. First thing we need to do is choose what sections. So we're going to do movies, video add-ons, and we'll use Placenta. Movies, and for the widget we'll use people watching. What we do is right click or press the button with the 3 lines, context button, add to favourites. And then if you come out of Kodi, you've got your shortcut for Kodi. If you just go into the folder, go into user data, and you will see your favourites XML. If you open that with your Notepad++, you will see the add-on there. And what you want to do is just from the left of the letter P for plugin, all the way along, you want to highlight that. Then the very last one, copy it, go back into Kodi, go along to system, skin settings, set up my knocks, movies, and go down to select widget and scroll down until you see custom video add-ons. Click on that and Control V. You just put in what you've copied. Done. I'm going to call that people watching. Click done. Escape out. Get a few seconds to load up. And we'll just load up. There's your widget. And that's that. Obviously you can do this for any section that you want, even your favourites. Favourites is a lot easier. You just go into skin settings, skin setup, go down to favourites, where it says select widget, if you click on that, and if you scroll all the way down, you click on the favourites, come back out, and then you add, for example, we add to favourites, couple, come back out, we go on to favourite, nice little widget. Just got to remember obviously that will fill up if you've watched something. What we've got to do is delete in your favourites. So you right click on the context button, you can remove it, you can rename it, once you've watched it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love